welcome back to my channel. INMO Algebra Solutions. So today we will see exponential algebraic problem. So p raised to power 3000 minus p raised to power 2000 is equal to 100. P is equal to question mark. So we have to find the value of p. So let's start the solution. P raised to power 3000 minus p raised to power 2000 equal to 100. Now we have to consider here one of the algebraic identity, that is a raised to power m into n is equal to a raised to power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to power n raised to the power m. Now we will come to this here. P raised to power 3 multiply 1000 minus p raised to power 2 multiply 1000 equal to 100. Now p raised to power 1000 raised to the power 3 minus p raised to the power 1000 raised to the power 2 is equal to 100. Now let here p raised to the power 1000 p raised to the power 1000 equal to x. Now here we get equal to x, so we will put here x cube minus x square is equal to 100. Now x cube minus x square, this will move this side, minus 100 equal to 0. Now x cube minus x square minus, how we can write 100? 125 minus 25 equal to 0. In this way we can write 100. Then x cube minus x square minus 125 is a cube of 5 minus 25 is a square of 5. In this way we can solve. Now x cube minus x square minus 5 cube minus into minus plus 5 square equal to 0. Now we write here x cube 5 cube, x cube with sign minus 5 cube minus x square. Now x cube minus 5 cube minus x square plus 5 square equal to 0. Now we write this x cube minus 5 cube in bracket minus, if we take minus common, so x square minus 5 square equal to 0. Now here we can use the algebraic identities. A minus a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Another identity, a square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. Now we will solve from using this way. Here x minus 5 x square plus ax into 5 plus 5 square, and this is minus x plus 5 x minus 5 equal to 0. Now we'll take x minus 5 common and x minus 5. So x minus 5 in bracket, what is remain here? X square plus 5x plus 5 square is 25 plus 5 square is 25 minus x plus 5 equal to 0. Now implies that x minus 5 in bracket x square plus 5x plus 25, due to this minus sign, minus x minus 5 equal to 0. X minus 5 in bracket x square plus 5x minus x plus 25 plus 25 minus 5 equal to 0. Now x minus 5 in bracket x square 5x minus 1x, that is plus 4x, 25 minus 5 plus 20 equal to 0. We can solve this one. X minus 5 equal to 0 and x square plus 4x plus 20 equal to 0. Now x equal to 5. This is the real value of x. Now we will find the value of this one. Here we will compare with the quadratic equation standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to coefficient of x is x square is 1, so value of a is 1. Coefficient of b is 4, so value of b is 4. Coefficient of constant of value of c is 20, c equal to 20. Now we will find the values of this one is x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now value of x equal to value of b is 4 minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 20. Value of a is 1 and value of c is 20 divided by 2 into 1. That is x equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 80 divided by 2. Now x equal to minus 4 plus minus under root minus 64 divided by 2. X equal to minus plus minus under root 64 into under root minus 1 divided by 2. Now x equal to, here 4 we have to write, minus 4 plus minus under root 64 is the square of 4 into under root minus I minus 1 divided by 2 Then value of x equal to minus 4 plus minus square root remove. So we get here 4i divided by 2. Now we will take here common 2, x equal to 2. We will take common, so here remain minus 2 plus minus 4 plus minus 2 into I divided by 2. 2 will be cancelled. X equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 into I. So this is the complex value. This is the complex solution we can say, or value also we can say. So this value will be rejected. So this value of x will be rejected. Okay. So we will come to the value of x is equal to 5. This value. When x is equal to 5, then recall p raised to power 1000 equal to x. Now we can solve this one here. P raised to power 1000 equal to x equal to, we will put here 5. Now p raised to the power 1000 raised to the power 1000 equal to 5 raised to the power here 1. So here 1 raised to the power 1000. So we can write then this p raised to the power 1000 into 1 upon 1000. Here 5 raised to the power 1 upon 1000. 1 multiply 1000. Here 1 upon 1000. 1 upon 1000. So we can write here 1000 cancel. So p is equal to 5 raised to power 1 upon 1000. This is the value of p. This is the value of p. Now let's verify. Let's verify. Now let's verify. P raised to power 3000 minus p raised to power 2000 is equal to 100. Now here value of p is 5 raised to the power 1 upon 1000 raised to the power 3000 minus 5 raised to the power 1 upon 1000 raised to the power 2000 equal to 100. Now see here 5 raised to the power 1 upon 1000 multiply 3000 minus 5 raised to the power 1 upon 1000 multiply 2000 equal to 100. Cancel here, this one also cancel. Now 5 raised to the power 3 minus 5 raised to the power 2 is equal to 100. 5's cube is 125 minus 25 is equal to 100. 100 equal to 100, then LHS is equal to RHS. Now see this one, value of P is also given. This is the recap of equation. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for getting the new latest more videos related to Maths Olympiad exam. Thank you for watching the video.